Starting a Mitumba business in Kenya in 2026. The Mitumba business in Kenya is one of the most popular ways for young people and small entrepreneurs to start earning an income with limited capital. In 2026, the demand for second-hand clothes is still very strong because many Kenyans want affordable fashion that looks good and lasts long. Mitumba clothes come in many types such as jeans, dresses, jackets, shoes, baby clothes, sportswear, and even branded items. This makes the business attractive because you can choose a niche that matches your customers and your budget. To start a Mitumba business, the first important step is understanding your market. This means knowing who you want to sell to and what they like. For example, if you are near a university, students may prefer trendy tops, jeans, hoodies, and sneakers. If you are in a residential area, parents may prefer children's clothes, school wear, and affordable family outfits. Market research can be done simply by visiting local markets, talking to sellers, checking prices, and observing what customers buy the most. This helps you avoid buying stock that will stay unsold. The next step is choosing how you want to operate your business. Some people start small by buying clothes one by one from wholesalers, a method known as hand picking. This is good if you have low capital, because you can start with as little as 2,000 Kenyan shillings. Others prefer buying full bales, which usually cost between 8,000 Kenyan shillings and 40,000 Kenyan shillings depending on the type and quality. Buying bales can be more profitable, but it also carries more risk because you do not see the clothes before opening. Another option in 2026 is online selling, where you post items on social media platforms and deliver after customers place orders. Sourcing good quality stock is the heart of the Mitumba business. In Kenya, the biggest markets include Gikomba in Nairobi, Toi Market, and Kongawea in Mombasa. These markets have many wholesalers who sell both bales and sorted clothes. The best time to buy is early in the morning when new stock arrives and bales are opened. At this time, you can pick the best items before competition increases. Quality matters a lot because customers will only come back if the clothes are clean, fashionable, and in good condition. Legal requirements are also important, even for small businesses. You need a business permit from your county government, which allows you to operate legally. You also need a Kenya Revenue Authority personal identification number for tax and banking purposes. If you plan to import Mitumba directly, you must follow import rules, including standards set by government agencies. These steps may seem small, but they protect your business from fines, closures, and unnecessary stress. After getting stock and licenses, you need to decide where and how to sell. Many beginners start with a small stall in a busy market or roadside area. Others rent a small shop in an estate or shopping center. In 2026, online selling is very powerful. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and WhatsApp allow you to reach customers beyond your physical location. You can take clear photos, write simple descriptions, and show prices openly. Customers trust sellers who respond fast and deliver on time. Pricing is another key factor in success. Your price should cover the cost of buying, transport, rent, and still leave you with profit. Some items can be sold at low prices to attract customers, while unique or branded pieces can be sold at higher prices. Many successful sellers use offers like 3 items for 1,000 Kenyan shillings to move stock faster. Clean clothes, ironing, good display, and friendly customer service also help you sell more, even at higher prices. As the business grows, it is important to track your money. You should know how much you spend and how much you earn from each bale or batch. This helps you identify which products are profitable and which ones are not. Simple notebooks or phone apps can help you record sales and expenses. When you start making consistent profit, you can reinvest by buying better quality bales, expanding your shop, or adding new categories like shoes and handbags. Like any business, the Mitumba trade has challenges. Sometimes bales contain many low-quality items. Competition is also high, especially in big markets. Hygiene is another issue, because customers today are more careful about cleanliness. However, these challenges can be managed with good planning, strong supplier relationships, and focusing on customer satisfaction. Sellers who adapt to trends, use social media well, and treat customers honestly usually perform better. In 2026, the Mitumba business is no longer just about selling cheap clothes. It is about branding, storytelling, and building trust. Customers want to buy from someone who understands fashion, communicates well, and delivers value. With the right mindset, even a small Mitumba stall can grow into a stable source of income and financial independence. For many Kenyans, Mitumba is not just a business, It is a stepping stone to bigger entrepreneurial dreams. Do you have a project in mind? We would love to work with you. Get in touch with Tito Creations today by calling, texting, or sending us a WhatsApp message on 0100173748. You can also connect with us on YouTube at Tito Creations, follow us on TikTok at Tito Creations 254, or visit our website at www.titocreations.co.ka for more information. We look forward to hearing from you and bringing your ideas to life.